Hi, good afternoon, Miss B. My name is Christian C. Pinato.
My name is Alinjan M. Sangre.
So we're gonna present the four political ideology.
First is liberalism. Liberalism is a political ideology prioritizing individual rights and limited government. So here are the key features of liberalism. First is economic freedom, equality, individual liberty, limited government, and rule of law, and the last is democratic government. There are two historical figures that influenced liberalism. First is John Locke that advocated for natural rights. Second is John Stuart Mill that expanded liberalism. There are also two social movements that influenced liberalism. First is the civil rights movement that fought for equality, and second is the women's suffrage movement that fought for women's right to vote. Second political ideology is conservatism. Conservatism is a political ideology that values creation and maintenance of stable society. Here are the key features of conservatism. First is preserving tradition. Second is respect for authority. Third is skepticism for radical change. And the last is limited government. There are two historical figures associated with conservatism. First is Edward Burke and Joseph D. Mansfield. The major social movement that influenced conservatism is religious right movement and national conservatism movement. The connection between liberalism and conservatism is they both support individual rights to ensure equality.
The third one is socialism. Socialism is a broadly defined as social economic system. The key features of socialism are the collective or public ownership, and the second one is equality or redistribution. The historical figures associated with socialism are called Karl Marx and Vladimir Lenin. The major social movements of socialism are the labor movements and the civil rights movements. Let's move on for the last political ideology, which is the fascism. Fascism is a political behavior marked by obsessive or preoccupation. The key features for fascism are the authoritarianism and the militarism. The historical figures associated with fascism are Benito Mussolini and Francisco Franco. The major social movements of fascism are the neo-fascist movements and nationalist movements. The connection between the two ideologies, which is socialism and fascism, they are both advocate for a significant government control over the society and economy.